Good Saturday! What a week we had! Thought I might have had appendicitis. My belly hurt so bad. Edit that out! Alright, you can never have enough mac and cheese. This is inspired by a 1967 mac and cheese recipe. It says to you, sharp American. Where do you find sharp American these days? Here I have half a block of Colby Jack and half a block of mild cheddar. That's what we're doing. Total 8 ounces. 1 egg. 17 ounces of macaroni, or 1 3/4 cups. Almost comes to 1 3/4. That is weighed to 17 ounces. 2 cups of cottage cheese. That's a lot of cottage cheese. 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to melt this butter. We're going to boil off the water content so it's kind of like clarified butter. We're going to toss the macaroni in the fat. There's salt and pepper, and it says sprinkle on some paprika. And I'm going to add some cheese on top. It doesn't say to do that. It says to use a 9x9x2 casserole. This is 10, but it slopes, so I think it's going to end up being around 9x9. It's possible I forgot something. I'm a little out of it. Let's just cook the water out of that butter. Who's hungry? Macaroni with whipped cottage cheese and tomato basil meat sauce. Let's take a bite. Oh. Oh my. Here we go. It's just like lasagna. It's just like lasagna. Oh, and it's tender? Oh. Oh. Oh, it's really good. Oh, that's what it needed. Needed a meat sauce. Full disclosure, after trying it without the meat sauce, tasted a little like lasagna to me, and I thought all this needs is a meat sauce. Wow. Let's take another bite. Show the clip from yesterday. It tastes fine. It's just not your mom's mac and cheese. Set a little square of this in a bowl of hot lasagna sauce. I think this might be really good. In fact, maybe later on we'll try it. So I suppose you could put the meat sauce right on top of the macaroni. I like the idea of having it separate. Then people can say, give me more sauce or give me less sauce. You know, don't give me any sauce. That's delicious. Inspired by 1967. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now this is fun. Oh, it's so creamy. You know, it's much smoother than ricotta. You know, it's milder and smoother than ricotta. Have you ever whipped cottage cheese? I've never whipped cottage cheese. I found out it's kind of a thing, but I never thought I'd make macaroni and cheese with it, and the recipe does not call for that. The original recipe is in the description, plus what I did here. That's delicious! Last bite for realsies. I say that a lot, and I don't often mean it. Thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say. What am I going to say? Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching.